Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Just got this interesting radio. This is TYT UVL-15W. This is 15 watts radio. It works on VHF and UHF bands, can catch the air band. Actually, this radio has GPS and X-band repeater. Let's make full test and review. The radio came in this box. Inside the box you can find the user manual in English, the radio itself with the battery and antenna. Antenna has TNC connector, additional antenna. This one, long antenna around 40 centimeters, desktop charger, adapter, USB-C cable and holder. The radio has a big screen on the left side, PTT and two functionality buttons, the port for programming and for connection, headphones and microphone, volume knob, additional knob, changing the frequency or some functionalities, additional functionality button for emergency. The battery has USB-C port, you can charge the radio almost everywhere using the USB-C. Let's see the battery. The battery is huge, 3800 milliamps and 11.1 voltage of the battery. Frequency band 136 to 174 MHz and UHF band 400 to 480. You can receive the air band 108 136 MHz in AM mode, and this radio has FM radio from 64 to 108 MHz. If you'd like to listen to the music, just turn on the FM radio, just long press this red button. Or just scan, press these buttons. Currently I use this short antenna inside the building where there's a lot of interference, but the radio works pretty good. Let's compare the size of the radio, really huge, 458 grams. The length of the short antenna around 70 centimeters. As you can see, the antenna works on two bands, 2 meters and 70 centimeters band, 2 meters band parameters, 70 centimeters band. For long antenna around 40 centimeters. 2 meters band for the long antenna. You can see the main frequency for this antenna around 446 MHz. Let's see the menu of the radio. Just press this green button. Channel operation, TX frequency, TX power, mid, high, low, 170 MHz, around 15 watts, and 430, around 15 watts. Ham radio band, right here, around 12.6 watts, maximum transmission power, low power, 4.3 watts, medium, 9.5 watts. Main frequency 70 centimeters band, maximum transmission power 14.3, low power 5.4, and mid power 11.8, 420 MHz, 15.3 watts. Channel mode, steps, let's see all steps. The main step 25 kHz, RX only. Is lookout, scrambler, school control. I like the S-meter of the radio. You can find the in dBm the strength of the signal, and actually you can change the SQL level holding this functionality button and rotate the knob. Press RX. Next one, radio settings, functionality. The first one, TX mode, single TX, TX dual standby, dual RX, This radio has two receivers. You can receive the 2 meters band, for example, and the air band at the same time. Crossband repeater. Repeater mode bidirectional, unidirectional. Monitoring. This radio has X-band repeater. You can transmit on 70 centimeters band, and the signal will be transferred to the 2 meters band and back, as you see right here. Squelch level, timeout timer, X channel, band mode. Let's see. ST, tone burst, scan, power safe, weather channels. Display, backlight, dimmer, delay, level, RX light up, TX light up, power on display, version, messages, language, in my version English only, menu exit timer, display mode, battery display, RX LED, signal strengths, sounds, beep, ANC, mic gain, low, mid, high, keyboard locker, program key. You can program some functionality, 2 functionality buttons, or for long press for these digital buttons. Inside you can find a lot of functionality for assignment. This radio has a frequency measurement tool. Just assign this functionality to some of the buttons. I use the freq scan on top of the radio button. Let's exit and select this functionality. I have a lot of interference in my room right now. The radio catches some signal. Let's check this frequency. I will transmit on 145 MHz and start scanning frequency. Yeah, it works pretty good. Testing, audio, and right here it works. Other initial init. I think this is just reset from radio switch, from radio mode, stations list, APRS functionality, GPS mode, satellite info, Bluetooth switch, speaker gain, mic gain. You can pair the PTT button and your headset. Currently I'm using this one and all works pretty good. You can select the band and press PTT. DTMF 2-tone, 5-tone, channel info, and radio info. This is current hardware version and software version.
Testing, audio. This is TYT UVL-15W test, audio, speaker test. This is microphone test of the radio TYT UVL-15W. Testing, close to the microphone, around 50 centimeters from the microphone, around 20 centimeters from the microphone, close to the microphone. Testing.
To switch between V4 and channel mode, just press this button and you can find the weather channel right here. Switch between up and down bands. Just press this red button. Let's see the harmonics. 2 meters band. Let's wait. Like this. Let's measure the harmonics on 70 centimeters band. The frequency 433.5 MHz. For programming, you should connect the data cable. I use the 380 TYT data cable. After connection the data cable, just select the COM port, read data from the radio, and you can find all information about the radio functionality, about display screen functionality, sounds, keyboard, memory, channels, V4, DTMF, 5-tone, FM radio, APRS, GPS functionality, Bluetooth. Right here you can update the radio firmware and activate radio. Let's disassemble this radio. Unscrew these bolts and rings right here. Firstly, you need to disconnect these wires. The radio has inside 2 boards. The speaker under the keyboard, the screen, GPS receiver 5N31. Right here you can see the GPS antenna on top of the radio. Something under this cover, but this thing is soldered right here. But I like connectors because you don't need to unsolder something. This is the second part of the radio, the main board, version 2.5. I don't know what is this, the wire. Something under this cover. Amplifiers. Let's see opposite side of the main board. TDA. You need to unsolder this antenna connector. This is the opposite side of the main board. Right here you can see all components of the radio. Two backend chips, one 4815Q and the second one BK 4829. The time was synchronized, and you can see right here on top of the screen on the right corner. This radio has spectrum scope. Just long press this green button and you will see the spectrum scope. You can just type the frequency and see the spectrum. If you press this button, you can change the steps. When you change the steps, you will get the spectrum much wider. Actually, you can change the amount of steps. Just press this button. Let's select 55 steps and step 6.25. You can change the SQL. This red line means the SQL. Let's type the frequency.
Temperature 2, dew point 2, QNH 1023, negative. Acknowledge information.
I think this radio is pretty good. It works fine. It's made fine. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.